PAKSE done. Now we're off to Attapeu. Let's go.
I decided to take a different road to Attapeu. Instead of the easy one through the BOLAVEN Plateau, I went south and then east. And it was one of the worst roads I've ridden on, as well as one of the coolest, as you'll see.
I'm gonna get some of my favorite bananas before I go off to Attapeu. These are piping hot. Can't be it. Going down this road here, I have kind of mixed feelings because I've been down these dirt roads and some of them are good, some of them aren't so good. With the recent rain coming a couple of days ago, the road could be, I don't know, we're thinking, but we'll just see, we'll see. Some of the dirt roads when I went inside some boom were fun, so I'm thinking potentially this would be fun, scenery, you know, but let's see how it goes. Dum dum dum. Hui. Bin bin bin. Ui. Ui. Hả? Ui. You remember I told you along the road? You have things unexpected. You've got these kids playing in the water. Whee! Whee! Amazing. These are how the kids are supposed to play, man. Absolutely love it. This right here is the type of ones I'm talking about. I'll let this guy go first. There we go. Sometimes you gotta allow other people to see what works first, and then you go. These are the types of roads I'm talking about. just got to use your initiative to get around it. So how are we going to do this? Although not clean, it's a way to get around, to go around the side. One of the joys or not joys of driving on a bumpy road is it keeps on going up and down, the vibrations, and then this falling off. So driving along and then boom, it fell off. I was like, oh, okay. So I'm very close to Attapeu right now, maybe about I think 10 kilometers away. So I can have a kind of solution for it, where I just put it on the front of the bike right there. I can put it there on the front. But yeah, it's just one of the things that happens. You know, problems, and then we get solution. I've created a solution. This is now tied down. The box down here is going to go on top of here, and then for the next 20 minutes, which it's going to take to get to Attapeu, it's just going to be a bit of a more uncomfortable ride than it already has been. Not that uncomfortable, it's already been uncomfortable. Finally made it to Attapeu, not without some trials and tribulations, as you see in the back. I got the back part secured back on, all good now. Put some screws back in there, all good. Plus, I got my compound we've got, you know what it is. Whew. What a journey. Finally made it to the hotel. I came to the Hong An Attapeu hotel. I came here because I was like, okay, let's see which room is kind of nice. Per night, this one's 200,000. It's got a nice bed beside me here. The bathroom is, I'd say, pretty modern, pretty new. The room, I don't know, like it's new, but it has that kind of old feel to it as well. Owned by a Vietnamese. But when you go onto the balcony, oh, the view is lovely. Yeah, you can see this, the landscape of the mountains. Oh. But yeah, like it's a really great price, and the reason why I decided to stay in Attapeu for one day is because I got here by about 4:30. So if I wanted to go to the point where I want to go tomorrow, which is I'll share, you'll see it later. Really exciting stuff. But yeah, it's a 3 point of a country, if you know what I'm talking about. Going there tomorrow, and yeah, being so late, it's gonna take 2 hours to get there. So I decided, you know what? Let's stay one day, let's relax, rest, check out Attapeu a little bit, and then tomorrow go down there, and then go across to this eco lodge, which, it's on the rice fields. You'll see it soon. It's amazing, so you'll see that soon. But yeah, I'm gonna go check out Attapeu now. It's 6 AM and I'm just about to take a couple of hours to the point, which is 3 countries. All right, let's go.
You'll see I'm heading to a point which Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam all meet together at one point. I only saw the pictures of it, but it excited me enough to go and see it. And it's such a cool journey there too.
As per usual, filling up before we get to the border. Okay, silo. Okay, ready. looking in the direction I'm going into, and it's big grey clouds. So I'm like, I'm either going into a cloudy day or I'm driving into a rainstorm. I did that before in, I think it was THAKHEK, and it wasn't fun because it was like, you see the rain, but let's see how it happens. And as fast as that, the sun has come out. You know, I don't have to worry about any storm clouds or anything like that. Oh, happy days, happy days. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Myself, I was like, why is it so cold? When I was driving up the mountain roads, and I was like, we've got some clouds behind me, so I'm in the freaking clouds right now. Look at that beauty, look at that, wow! And you'll only get this, and you'll only see this if you travel. No reason why you gotta travel, eh? Damn, I never thought I'd see this, but I'm going into fog in the clouds. This is really foggy. Check this out. You can't see past your face there. Oh, let's see what this one's going to be like. So I was stupid. I didn't realize it was past the border checkpoint. If I realized that, I would have brought my passport. And it's really annoying because that's the only thing that's stopping me getting there right now. I was gonna go to a place which it's got the 3 points of Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam on the points, and I wanted to go there, but what are you gonna do? You know, it happens. But gotta get on with the journey, eh? As I was coming back to Attapeu, about 20 kilometers outside, there was this really cool statue. I think it's the old king and him riding an elephant. Check him out up there, he's riding an elephant, you know, probably into battle before, maybe against the Vietnamese or another one of the nations. And you know, this is such a cool statue. That's the reason why it caught my eye. Like the other stuff, it's kind of normal, but this one is like, I really like stuff like this. But yeah, nice seeing it. You know what we're gonna get back to Attapeau. Bye-bye. Before we jump off Attapeu, I want to show the size of this. So this is Motorbike Broke. Look at the size of that one. Look at the size of my finger. Normally they make them tiny. Love it. Tastes amazing. Same place I went yesterday. It's good to have something like this after a 2.5 hour ride and a 2.5 hour disappointment. Well, 5 to 6 hours in total disappointment, you know? But hey, we live, we learn, and the best thing about it was the experience. Going through that fog, all that kind of stuff, I would never have got that if I haven't gone that way, so I'm grateful for the experience I had today.
In the next episode, I go from Attapeu all the way to 4,000 Islands, going through the absolutely beautiful BOLAVEN Plateau, sharing it all with you. It is a long journey, but I've made it short. See you there.